Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
I will explain why root and Magisk are the only reliable path here. Root gives access to system font directories that normal apps cannot change. Magisk provides a systemless module method that prevents OTA breakage and keeps safety net intact. You will install an iOS emoji font file named Apple Color Emoji. TTF into the system font path virtually. This prevents apps from falling back to outdated glyphs or missing color rendering. If you do not want to root, expect limited or inconsistent results across apps and keyboards. First, confirm Magisk is installed and updated to a recent version like v24. Next, obtain a compatible Apple Color Emoji. TTF file extracted from iOS 14 or later builds. Place the module zip into your device storage for flashing through Magisk Manager. Open Magisk Manager, choose Modules, then install and select the iOS emoji module zip to flash. After flashing, reboot the device so Android loads the new systemless font and begins using iPhone emoji glyphs across. After reboot, open multiple apps to verify that emoji now display in iPhone style. If some apps still show old emoji, clear their caches and force stop them before reopening. If rendering issues appear, uninstall the module in Magisk Manager and reboot to restore the stock Apple Color Emoji. TTF replacement state. Keep a backup of your current boot image and system before changes so you can restore quickly. Remember that system updates may remove the module and require reinstallation or module updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.